Hey guys, welcome back to Black Dog Sailing. Well, here we are on the last Wednesday night of the season. Tonight I had two crew members coming, but they were both running late. I decided to head on out by myself, see how many boats were anchored off the marina. This time of year there's always some interesting boats, snowbirds, heading south, and the anchorage off Fort Monroe is a popular stopping spot. As you can see from tonight, there's only two boats anchored, but that one big power boat is definitely interesting. I got the call that one of my crew members was at the dock, so I headed in to pick him up. Wouldn't you know that as soon as he was on deck and I backed off the dock, my second crew member showed up. Well, this time I backed up to the dock and we picked him up. We headed on out, but with the winds really being as light as they were, we opted for just ghosting along with the head sail and enjoying the evening. And it really was a beautiful evening. It seems like whenever there's a pretty sunrise or a pretty sunset and you have a camera in your hand, you can't help but take a whole bunch of pictures. I'll be nice here and only make you sit through a few of them. I really like some of these shots. They came out real nice.